Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pass microbiology for your BSc nursing program. First, familiarize yourself with your university's specific syllabus and the exam format. Next, develop a realistic study schedule, allocating dedicated time each day for microbiology. Focus on understanding fundamental concepts before diving into details. Prioritize topics that frequently appear in exams, such as common pathogens and their mechanisms. Consistent effort is key to building a strong foundation. To truly grasp microbiology, engage in active learning. Don't just read, draw diagrams of microbial structures and life cycles. Use flashcards for memorizing key terms, drug classifications, and disease characteristics. Explain concepts aloud to yourself or a study partner to solidify your understanding. Regularly test your knowledge with practice questions. This active approach helps embed information more deeply than simply reviewing notes. For exam success, practice is paramount. Work through previous year's question papers to get a feel for the types of questions asked and the expected depth of answers. Pay attention to common mistakes in areas where students often struggle. During the exam, manage your time wisely, allocating appropriate minutes to each section. Ensure you understand the question before attempting to answer it. A calm and prepared mind performs best. As your exam approaches, consolidate all your study materials into brief, easy-to-review summaries. This helps reinforce key information and identify any remaining weak areas. Don't hesitate to ask your professors or mentors for clarification on challenging concepts. They are there to help. Remember to maintain a healthy lifestyle, including adequate sleep and nutrition, to optimize your performance. Check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to support your studies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.